Before we begin, here are a few gentle reminders for anyone new to meditation. Start small. Even a few minutes can shift your whole day. Sit comfortably. Comfort matters more than posture. Let thoughts come and go. You're not trying to stop thinking. Return to your breath. This is your anchor. Be gentle with yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a perfection. Take a slow breath in and let's begin. A body scan is the practice of slowly moving your awareness through your body, from head to toe, noticing sensations without trying to change anything. It's a way of reconnecting with yourself, grounding your mind and softening tension. Your body holds stress long after your mind has moved on. A body scan can help you notice tightness, heaviness, warmth, or subtle emotions stored in different areas. This awareness activates the parasympathetic nervous system, releasing tension and calming your thoughts. It teaches you to observe without reacting, a core skill in meditation. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness downward. You're not trying to fix anything, you're simply noticing. Let's move through the body together. Start at the crown of your head. Notice any tingling, warmth or stillness. Move down to your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Soften it if you can. Bring your awareness to your neck, your shoulders. Feel their weight, their shape, their tension. Move down through your chest, your ribs, your stomach. Notice how your breath moves through these spaces. Bring your attention to your arms, your hands, your fingers. Notice any subtle sensations. Move down through your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. Feel the contact with the ground beneath you. Feel the support. Feel the steadiness. Let your whole body be exactly as it is. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Bring to mind one small thing you're grateful for in your body today. Your breath, your heartbeat, your strength, your presence. Let that gratitude settle softly into your chest. You've just completed your body scan meditation. Have a beautiful day. If this meditation helps in any way, I'm always here for you. Peace, hope, clarity.